This is the Angry Birds Game 2 on my Android phone. And this is my Angry Bird 2 on my Windows 11 laptop. So, you mean I can play Android games on my Windows 11 laptop? Yeah! Hold on. Now, before you get excited now, let me give you 5 reasons why you shouldn't be excited about the Windows 11 system being able to install the Android apps. If you're ready, let's unroll this. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot. I'm so excited on this one. If you haven't joined our giveaway, you still have about 8 days to do that. So make sure you click on the subscribe button and the link to the giveaway will be in the description. So let's talk about Windows 11 being able to run Android apps. Everybody was excited about this, and when it finally happened, and nobody's getting so excited because there are reasons why you shouldn't get excited. So let's start from number 1. It is a Windows subsystem. So what does that mean? It means that if you pick your Android APKs or installation or installable files and drop it into Windows and double click on it, it's not going to install. There has to be a system, a subsystem that you will use to install those apps. Number 2 is even worse than number 1. A Windows Android subsystem is not available to all countries. I think they started with like US and Japan, and then they expanded it to about 20 or 30 countries. Yet many other countries cannot have access to Windows subsystem, and it's funny. I mean, why not make it available for everybody so that everybody can try? So that's the problem. I'll put the link in the description if you want to see which countries are available so you can read that to know. But there's always a way around it. You can use a VPN, an average good VPN. You can use a VPN to actually get the Windows subsystem and then install it in your phone. So in my case, I used ExpressVPN to get it. It's available for UK, United States, France, some other companies, so you can switch a VPN there and then you're going to go and download it. Number 3 is the Windows Android subsystem uses Amazon Android Store. Whew. Amazon Android Store lacks a lot of apps. But that's not even the problem. If you probably use a VPN, if you're not in the listed country, to install the Amazon Store inside your Windows 11 laptop, and then you now have to get an Amazon account. So you need an Amazon account to do that. So the stress is just increasing. So you get an Amazon account, you log in, and then you have to probably put on a VPN to be able to get some apps in some countries that are not in some countries. And overall, there are some apps that, anyway, I'll talk about that in number 4. Number 4. Well, number 4 is actually more interesting because we already know that Amazon App Store lacks a lot of apps, right? But it's unfortunate that even at the lack of the apps, if you still log into the Amazon account with Windows subsystem for Android, and then you sign in and then you go into the Amazon account, you still get less number of apps than you get on Amazon tab. So it becomes another double disadvantage. And I mean, let's think about this. What actually made Nokia or Windows Store initially to go out of business was because of no apps development. So I really don't understand the reason why you can't get all the app that you get with an Amazon device on the Windows subsystem for Android. Maybe integration issues, maybe developer, adjustments and all that. But just know that's available. And then number 5 is that some of the apps that you get from the store, some of them still will not work well on your Windows 11. So it becomes more stressful. You can't even download. I wasn't able to see Tik-Tok to download. I wasn't able to see WhatsApp. I wasn't able to see some apps that I use. It wasn't available on that Android subsystem using Amazon Store. So there's no need to get excited about that. The good thing is that I'm hearing that Android 13 is going to have an integration, a better integration with Windows. So that might just be the only good news about this. But if it's something to get excited about, I don't think it's something to get excited about because you're probably not going to get any useful app that you're using right on that store. I'll keep updating this video, to give you updates whenever there is a new update on this. So make sure you subscribe if you like this video and want to know more on this Windows Android subsystem. So until I see you in the next one, peace. apps.